Hello students, welcome to GK class. Lesson number 8, Mixed Bag.
In this lesson, 2 points. 1. Living things and second, non-living things. Now, let's go for first point, living things. What is the living things? Living things move, respond to stimuli, reproduce and grow, respire and are dependent on their environment.
A living thing can move.
A living thing can grow. Plants need 5 things in order to grow: sunlight, proper temperature, moisture, air, and nutrients. These 5 things are provided by the natural or artificial environment where the plants live. If any of these elements are missing, they can limit plant growth. A living thing can change. A living thing can make more of its own kind. A living thing has needs: air, water, food, and shelter. Human, animals, and plants are living things. Most living things need food, water, light, temperatures within defined limits, and oxygen. Food, water, sunlight, temperature, oxygen. All living things have necessary food. Food give us energy, help us to grow and keep us healthy. Food is any edible, nutritious substance consumed by humans and other animals to get energy. Importance of food for living organism. First, help in growth of living beings. Second, help in repair and replacement of damaged parts of the body. Third, provides energy required for various activities. Fourth, provides protection from infections and disease. Fifth, help in overall growth and development of organism. Birds, insects, animals, trees, human beings are a few examples of living things, as they have the same characteristic features like eating, breathing, reproduction, growth, and development. See the pictures. Human beings, animals, birds, aquatic animals, plants, and insect. Trees perfect growth. A few steps here I explain. A fertilized soil, a place where there is good amount of sunlight, a place where there is good amount of water, a soil which is rich in nutrients. These are few examples here. We find different types of plants around us. We also see different types of animals around us. All living things, be it plants or animals, need water to live. We know that the water we use every day. We also need water to grow the living thing. The need for water is not the same for all living things. Some animals and plants need more water than others. Some can live with little or no water. For example, kangaroo rat, camels, and cactus. The need for water depends on the size of the body and types of activities done. All the living things need for water also depends on the climate and season. Living things need more water in the summer than in winter. In summer, we feel thirsty more often. Trees help us in many ways. They give us shade. They are the home for many birds and animals. Air is important to us for breathing. All living things need to air. Air is all round us. Air is like a big blanket that surround us, but we cannot see it. We can only feel it. Air has no smell, no shape, and no color. It does not stay in one place. It moves from one place to another. All living things are made up of one or more cells. All living things have genetic material called DNA. All living things grow and develop. All living things use and obtain energy and excrete wastage. All living things reproduce either sexually or asexually. All living things respond to the environment. All living things must have adaptation that allow them to survive in their environment. All living things must maintain a stable internal environment called homeostasis.